How to convert PNG images to JPG file. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily convert PNG images to JPG file without any external software. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser, and here you can just search for PNG to JPEG. And once you hit enter, you'll find a bunch of different options. So you can use Canva's automatic converter, which is really reliable. So you can just open it up. You can upload your image here or drop it here, and then it will automatically convert your PNG image to JPG. So I'm just going to upload an image here. So here, this is now converting the image that I've just sent it to PNG. From PNG to JPG. Now once the image is done, as you can see, now the image has been converted to JPG. So if you click on download, this image will now be available to you in JPG format, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.